Welcome to the second lecture of Mastering RESTful APIs. In this lecture, we will explore the concept of REST and understand why it's such an fundamental part of modern web development. REST, which stands for Representational State Transfer, is an architectural style for designing networked applications. It defines a set of constraints that, when applied to a web service, makes it more scalable, maintainable, and reliable. So, what are these constraints? One of the key principles of REST is that it uses a stateless client server model. This means that each request from a client to a server must contain all the information necessary to understand the request, and the server must not store any client state between requests. This makes RESTful APIs highly scalable and easy to maintain. Another important concept of REST is resources, which are the key abstractions that clients interact with. Resources are identified by URLs, and clients can perform operations on these resources using standard HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. By following the principles of REST, developers can design APIs that are intuitive, efficient, and easy to use. RESTful APIs are widely used in modern web development and are the foundations of many popular web services. In the next lecture, we will dive deeper into the practical aspect of creating RESTful APIs. We will learn how to define routes, handle different HTTP methods, and structure our APIs for scalability and maintainability. So, if you are ready to learn more about REST and how it can enhance your web development skills, let's dive in.